Hey guys, good morning. Can everyone hear me? Nice. Guys, take a look at Moderna. Man, yesterday I had to go to the oncologist for a bit, but Moderna shares are ripping higher, 175.20. I sold mine yesterday for about an 82% gain. We made a couple of quick day trades, locked in some nice profits, but man, oh man, do I wish I held on to those first initial calls that we had. We originally started getting in November 25th when she started breaking out of this consolidation box right here. If you guys remember, what I was talking about right here was this consolidation box that we had, right? And once we broke that consolidation box, I said we were going to have a good entry into Moderna, especially going into their vaccine, with their approval. So, good morning, AJ. Good morning, Grant. Nice to have you with us. So, once we broke out of that consolidation, this was the area here. I have members that are messaging me that they made $30,000 in the past 4 days here on that climb. That they put $5,000 in, and that $5,000 climbed to $30,000. So a lot of the members are going to be locking in some profits today. I'm seeing in the trade room there. Really nice. I'm probably going to be jumping back into Moderna. I think she's going to break $200 from now until the December 18th expo. But what else I like here, guys, is Pfizer. So Moderna is going to be getting their approval somewhere around December 17th, December 18th, right? But Pfizer is going to be next week. So if we take a look, at Pfizer here, PFE, I think we're going to have a big move on Pfizer. I want to jump in Pfizer. That's probably what I'm going to be jumping into the first thing this morning here. Okay, so I'm getting my orders ready. Here's the accounts right here. So here's the main account. We have the Amazon vertical spread. We have the Google vertical spread. Okay, so we have the Amazon 3220, 3225 vertical spread for this week's expo. Amazon's looking great. It's up. It's at 31.85 right now, up 17 bucks, 0.54%. They just announced that they had, what was it? I think it was $4.88 billion worldwide from Black Friday to Cyber Monday, which was up 60% year over year. Okay, so Amazon, I think that's going to continue its climb. Google, we have the 1762.50, 1765 vertical call spread there. So let's take a look at that, and let's take a look at Amazon quick, see what we're looking at for the day here, and what we could get done. Okay, so here is Amazon. Got a couple of minutes before opening bell. Amazon still holding above that 10, 20, 50-day simple moving average. I'm looking for 32.50 by the end of the week. I think that should be a pretty safe area. Stop is going to be at 31.40. Okay, so Amazon's looking good, getting a climb today. I think the markets are going to continue to climb today. Let's take a look at Google here. GOOGL. Google's holding that 1020 pretty well as well here. Our trade, we have the 1762.50, 1765 vertical spread, which means as long as as long as Google's above 1765 from now until Friday, we're going to have max gains. And she's at 1766.66 right now. Oh, I don't like those numbers. But nice climb on Google here as well. Looking good. That's our paycheck trade that we picked up last week. So that one's going to be a good one. So now today, what I want to focus on is our current trades. Keep on looking at Google, Amazon today. And then I also want to keep an eye on, let's say, Moderna. Moderna, definitely want to keep an eye on Moderna. Pfizer. Ephraim, if you could clear out cell 4 on YouTube there. Moderna's still on there. Number 4. So that's looking good. Pfizer, I definitely want to jump into Pfizer. Pfizer's going to be a nice opportunity. Let's take a look at the option chain while we're waiting here. Obviously, it's going to be very different because I wish we held those Pfizer calls we had yesterday as well. But Pfizer, December 18th, I'd go with. I'll be probably picking up the 40 strike here. I'm going to get the trade challenge account and the main account with Pfizer. So Pfizer's looking good. BNTX, that's the bio and tech. That one's getting a little pullback there, actually. And then, of course, the big one today also is Tesla. Take a look at Tesla, guys. Tesla's up 5% today at 596. Tesla's getting added to the S&P 500 at the end of this month here. So I think that one's really going to take off. To be honest with you guys, I think we're going to see Tesla at between 700 to 900 bucks by January, and I think there's a good chance we could see Tesla at $1,000 by February. You know, especially, you guys know why. You know, when the Democrats come in office, they like giving incentives for the renewable energies, like, you know, solar, wind, and all that type of stuff. So, you know, obviously Tesla, solar panels, they're all continuing to rise here as we go into the Democratic presidency starting in January. So that's one that I definitely want to keep an eye on. I'm probably going to put about $10,000 to $15,000 into some calls for either the January or February monthly expo for Tesla there. I think we have a really nice opportunity with Tesla to take advantage of that. So I'll be keeping an eye on that. Let's see, what time is it here? 9:27. Couple minutes till opening bell. Man, I feel great today. Honestly, for a week I felt horrible. Today I woke up and I'm like, wow, I feel good today. Mind clear, body's feeling good. So I'm going to write down here Pfizer, PFE, and MRNA, and Tesla. So those are the three we want to focus on. I'm going to be doing some day trading today, guys. We'll look for some nice swing trades here as well, and we're also going to be looking at some swing trades, okay? Moderna is still on the run there. I think Moderna is going to be 200 bucks by next week, to be honest with you. So I'm probably going to be picking up some Moderna trades quick, and a few others. Let's see, we got about a minute and a half till opening bell. Anyone have any questions before we get started? Grant, Austin, how you guys doing? What the heck did Facebook do today, guys? Facebook make a new layout there? Guys, look at Moderna running here. We're going to get ready for a trade here. I want to pick up Pfizer. PFE. We'll get the call December 18th. I'm going to pick up 30 contracts. 40 strike. See what they're going for here on the open. Here we go, guys. Hope everyone has a great day.
Slawi says we'll add 30 to 50 million doses in February coming from other two programs, AstraZeneca and Johnson & Johnson vaccines.
I have my order ready on the other screen here, ready to go. Here we go. All right, guys, I just got into Pfizer. I'm going to post this in the trade room here. All righty. There's the
Flowey
trade I
says
just
we
made,
will
guys.
have 150 million doses per month by March between all vaccines.
I just got into the Pfizer December 18th 40 strike call. I got executed at $1.17 a contract. We picked up 30 contracts. Let's see, 30, multiply that by 117. So it's a $3,510 trade, $3,510. So not too large of a trade. I like that going into the FDA meeting next week, and I'll be holding on to that. Now Moderna, I'm going to keep an eye on Moderna. I have that also on the chart above me. And I want to start looking at Tesla here as well.
MGI, MoneyGram getting a pop here. Michael Golf, India, after the open.
Neo's having a nice move today. Guys, there goes Moderna taking off again. I think I'm going to pick up some.
Popping here, 280.75 on Facebook, Foxtrot Bravo.
I think I'm going to pick up a trade on Moderna for the January Expo. CMRNA. So, Moderna call. We'll look at the, let's go with the January 15th. Wow, quite expensive there. Quite expensive. December, you're paying a couple extra dollars for an extra month going with the January. Much rather do that. Pick up 2 contracts of that for now. Let's see if I could get in for 28.50. There we go. We got executed on that.
Hitting new highs, up about 15% at the high.
Now these are swing trades, guys, okay? So these are trades that we're going to be holding on to for a couple of days. Maybe even a couple of weeks. Really looking forward to that Moderna hitting $200 here. I think that should be pretty easy target. Pfizer as well. I think Pfizer, our target on Pfizer is going to be, I'd say at least 42.50, especially if we get that FDA approval on that vaccine. Not seeing too much activity going on just yet. Amazon pulled back a little bit there.
NKLA, Nicola dropping here after the open. November Kilo Lima Alpha, NKLA.
Small gain on the day today, $718. That's being led by Google. That Google vertical spread that we have. I want to see Amazon start to take off here. Amazon's bouncing back a bit here. Netflix is having a good day. Netflix is looking ready for a nice breakout. You guys looking at the Netflix chart here? 1020 cross is coming up. We already had the MACD cross. Already had that MACD cross. Moving average convergence divergence is crossed. We got our first bars above the 0 line on the histogram. 1020 cross is coming up right here. And we're just starting to break resistance. We got some resistance right at
reporting U.S. sales down 1%.
Right at about $500. We have resistance.
Michael.
So that's really nice. Pfizer's getting a move higher here, guys. There goes Pfizer, climbing off the 10-day simple moving average, held at $39 support. Take a look at PFE here. Pfizer's having a nice little climb. There she goes. Pfizer trades in the green. I'd like to see that Moderna start its climb there off that 10. Pfizer's looking good, though. Pfizer's a cheap option play. You know, it's a really cheap option play to make some quick gains. All I know is I'm not going to sell that one too early. We're already up 3% on that, 4% now.
Facebook continued to spike here, 282.29.
Facebook, 282.13 right now. Nice climb on Facebook. Guys, did you guys see Intel? Man, I've been telling you guys about Intel for a while now. That was a hook pattern that we actually went over in one of our class, INTC. If you take a look here, Intel's been continuing to climb. If we take a look at a 3-month daily, look at that breakout there. We were talking about, you know, we were talking about it breaking that resistance right there at 49. She broke that 49. I'm sorry, 48. I can't see that well. $48 resistance, broke that. Now we could easily be looking at that 52.50, which we originally talked about, between 52.50 and that 55 is the next resistance area. Pfizer's still continuing to climb higher there. Moderna's climbing off that 10-day simple moving average. Our Pfizer trade's now up 6%, and we already have a nice gain here for about $1,800 for the day. Up, day's gain, $1,800. Looking good right there. Moderna's continuing to climb. Our Pfizer trade's up about 6%. Now we have two other trades here. We have the, actually three. We have the Moderna. We have the Google vertical spread. That one's doing good today. You can see the long legs green. You know, that's what you want to see, the short legs down. So as long as Google's above 1765, we'll have max gains on that trade. Market's still climbing here, looking good. Amazon just turned green again. There goes Amazon climbing. Moderna's climbing off the 10-day simple moving average. Pfizer's at new highs of the day here. Continuing to break higher, looking good. Looking good there. That's those spreads that's causing those discrepancies here. You see as you continue to refresh it. I'll share it with you guys here once that normalizes, because Google's still on the climb. That's just the difference between the bid and the ask of those two strikes there. Let's see. Pfizer, Moderna still on the climb. Google's looking good. Now up $2,400 for the day here. Looking good. Our Pfizer trade's already up 14%, team. There goes Moderna. Moderna's on the run, breaking 176.34, continuing to climb. Looking good. Up $2,693 now for the day. Our Moderna trade's now in the green. Our Pfizer trade's in the green. Looking good. Our Google trade's in the green, and so is our Amazon trade. Amazon's in the green. She's up about $5. She was up about $20 before, so lagging a little bit from that, but still looking good. Nice gains in the account today. Let's continue to see the market spike here and take advantage of these COVID plays.
U.S. Transportation Department says it has made preparations to enable immediate mass shipment of COVID-19 vaccines.
Amazon still on the climb, now up $8. There goes Google continuing to run 1773.19. Moderna and Pfizer coming down to that 10-day simple moving average. Let's see if it holds that and continues that climb. Qs are continuing to run higher. Take a look at Qs quick.
CAAS, Charlie Alpha Alpha Sandy, downgraded to a sell at Greenridge with a $4 price target. That's CAAS, Charlie Alpha Alpha Sandy.
Nice climb on Google, nearing 1775. There she goes, just broke 1775. There goes Google, another big climb, 1777.21, 1778.63. There goes Pfizer, starting its run off that 10 again. 39.58. Moderna's pulling back down to the 20-day simple moving average on a today 1-minute chart. Google's still on the run, 1781.35. Looking good there. Guys, what did Facebook do to their layout today? Did anyone notice that? Is it just me? I don't like that new layout.
Yesterday's high, we're 50 points from down 30K. Record high S&P, record high NASDAQ. Let's get to Bob Masani.
13% gain on Pfizer. Already up $500 on Pfizer. Amazon's breaking out nicely. There we go. Amazon up $15. There we go. I'd love to see Amazon break that 3,200 today. There she goes. She's on the run. 1383. 3183.
About 6.5% on letter X.
Look at that breakout. Looking good. Looking good here, guys. Nice start to the morning. I really think that Pfizer is going to make us a hell of a profit. I think that's going to continue to climb that 3-4% each day here from now until they get that FDA approval.
AAPL, Apple at the highs now. AAPL.
Apple's at the highs of the day right now. Facebook is still running. Facebook's nearing 285 right now. Amazon's still climbing, looking good. Pfizer's still holding that 10, still climbing near the highs of the day. I want to see that Moderna start to run again.
Hearing the reporter says PE firms and Nippon Paint said to be vying for Exalta, Alpha X-Ray.
There goes Pfizer again.
Alpha AXTA.
Pfizer's having another nice run. We're up 17% on our Pfizer trade now. 18% on Pfizer. Still continuing to break higher there. Now got an 18% gain. We're up $700 on that Pfizer trade already. She's still breaking out. We're up 20% now on Pfizer. And she's still running. 22% gain on Pfizer, team.
Exalta hitting a high of 29.64.
Nice breakout on Pfizer. There she goes. 23% gain on Pfizer. Nice continued breakout there. 24% gain on Pfizer, team. Take a look. There's the trade we made this morning. So our Pfizer trade's already up $855. Got a 24% gain on that. We're up $2,820 for the day here. You know, Amazon's continuing to run, Google's climbing. Now all we need is Moderna to start to climb. And if you take a look at Moderna right now, she just retraced down to that 20. She's bouncing off that 20 and trading between that 10 and 20-day simple moving average, still continuing to climb there. Let's see if that breaks higher. There goes Pfizer again. Pfizer trade is now up 30%. We're up $1,050 on our Pfizer trade, guys. What a breakout on Pfizer, and she's still climbing.
Manufacturing PMI for November 56.7, in line.
Thank you, Tisha. I appreciate that. Guys, there goes Moderna. Moderna's breaking above that 10-20 simple moving average and starting its climb. Nice move there on Moderna. Nice move on Moderna. We're now up $3,130 for the day, up 29%. There goes Pfizer. There goes Moderna again. New highs on this new breakout. 31% gain on Pfizer. There goes Moderna, back at 173 here. There goes Pfizer, breaking out $40.04 and continuing to climb. There she goes again, 40.08. 34% gain on Pfizer. Up $1,085 on Pfizer. A Moderna trade's almost in the green. Nice breakout here, team. Nice breakouts. 35% gain on Pfizer, up $1,230. Who got into that Pfizer trade, guys? Who got in? Look at that, 37% gain already on Pfizer. AJ, did you get into Pfizer? Austin. Tisha got into Pfizer. Nice. We're up even more now. Pfizer's still on the climb. We're now up 37.43% on Pfizer. She's still running. Guys, I'm telling you, the Pfizer trade, we have the December 18th Expo. Imagine what it's going to do when it gets that FDA approval. She's going to be up 10%. That means we're probably going to make about $10,000 profit on this trade if she has a 10% move. I mean, Pfizer's up almost 4.5% today. So I really think we're going to be continuing to look for that big move there. Let's see what our tech stocks are doing here. Amazon pulled back a little bit from those highs. Nice. There goes Pfizer wanting to break higher again. There goes Pfizer again, guys. Another breakout on Pfizer. We're up 40% now on our Pfizer trade. Nice breakout there. Guys, I just sold our Pfizer trade at $1.69 a contract. I just had to lock it in. I'll get another trade on it. You can't say no to that. Okay. Ephraim, what were we in on that Pfizer trade for? Do you remember? 44%? Let's see. You're welcome, Michael. You're welcome, guys. Nice trade there. Now let's look for that next one. I'm going to be jumping into Pfizer again here. I'm telling you guys, definitely jumping into Pfizer again. I'll wait for a little pullback on it, and then I'll re-enter into Pfizer. And that was a nice setup. Austin Schrader said, I grabbed the Pfizer weekly, just hit 100% on 10 contracts, locked in 5 free. Nice call, Dave. Nice job, AJ. Hell of a job there, buddy. Guys, if you guys are liking this live YouTube stream, please give this video a thumbs up. Give it a like for me. Subscribe to our channel. You know, I'd really appreciate that. Let's see. Skyjack says AbbVie's on the move. Let's take a look at AbbVie quick. ABBV. I want to see Amazon and Google start to climb here again as well. AbbVie's looking good there. I really want to jump into another Pfizer trade, to be honest with you. I was thinking about jumping into Pfizer for next week.
ARLO, Alpha Romeo Lima Oscar, trade is circulating. Report that Apple is reportedly beginning offering Arlo security cameras on the Apple Store. That's Alpha Romeo Lima Oscar, ARLO.
Broncos play a game without a QB. I mean, the NFL infrastructure has been really hit.
That's Alpha Romeo Lima Oscar.
Alrighty, guys. I'm making another trade on Pfizer. Alright, it was partially filled. Here's the trade I got. I'm going to post that in the trade room for you guys.
Spiking here, $6.13 at the high. And shares are
Guys, there goes Moderna. Moderna's on the climb here as well.
now halted on a circuit breaker. ARLO halted on a circuit breaker at $6.13. Alpha Romeo Lima Oscar. Apple Store showing the Arlo Ultra 4K wire-free security camera on for sale at $549.95. Again, shares were halted at the highs on ARLO at $6.13.
Guys, we're going to see what kind of impact that has on the season, obviously, which is holding in the meantime, we'll take a break here. Still holding on to some elevated levels as we kick off December. Don't go away.
Would love to see Amazon break out. Dow's up 350 points. Nasdaq's up about 110 already. Just waiting for that breakout. I'm watching Moderna. Moderna's trading between that 1020. You guys can see trading between that 1020. She's looking good, holding that 170. Let's see her start to climb. See what Google's doing. Google's starting to climb off that 20.
J&J announcing initiation of rolling submission for its single-dose Janssen COVID-19 vaccine candidate with the EMA. That's Juliet November. Juliet update from the earlier report.
Nice job, Doug. Doug said he's late to the party. Still grabbed 10% gain on the Pfizer trade. Nice job there. There goes Moderna and Pfizer starting to jump again. So right here I have Moderna, Pfizer, Google, Amazon, Facebook. I have Q's, I have SPY, I have Booking. I got a bunch of them over there. Tesla.
There's a J&J.
Got a few charts I'm looking at here, guys.
Just off the highs now, up about 1.8%.
Optimistic vaccine news.
From the first COVID-19 vaccines becoming available to Americans.
Plus new warnings.
Some of the risky things include people shopping around the Christmas holidays.
Stay connected, stay informed.
Q's are still climbing higher, looking good.
Waiting for shares of Arlo Technologies to resume again. One of their products appearing on the Apple
Come on, Moderna, baby.
website. Under accessories, shares halted at $6.13, up 16.5%. ARLO.
There we go. There goes Moderna.
Setting up for the hearing in Senate
Watching Pfizer holding that 20.
Apple shares at the highs now.
Our spend is out of control. How do we manage it?
Every business is like a lemonade stand. I've got customers, employees, and suppliers too. Thanks, Jimmy. I manage all the spending in my business and control it easily. And I do it all with Coupa.
Coupa. Frank, get over to you. Coupa, everything you need for business spend management.
Rising energy costs are frustrating. Electricity rates continue to increase.
My little brother just texted me. I gave him an account with us. He's been trading shares of stock. He's working with my family at Santarelli Oil, and he's sitting at the office now at the oil company. He just messaged me. He said just got in the same Pfizer call, but for $1.07, 30% gain. He's up 57% right now.
PowerCell's revolutionary technology captures and stores electricity.
Shares of Arlo should be resuming momentarily. ARLO.
Energy during peak demand times when electricity costs are high, which helps reduce your electric bill, saving you money. Power outage occurs. PowerCell is ready to supply backup.
Open now, $6.90 the high on ARLO, Alfa Romeo Lima Oscar. 702 now. Shares up about 31% now on ARLO, Alfa Romeo Lima Oscar.
Generac has been a trusted provider of backup power solutions since 1959 and provides 24
There goes Pfizer again, guys.
battery storage solution. Information on the solar and environmental investments we've ever made. Special financing is available with low monthly payment options. You will likely qualify for tax credits and energy rebates, which could save you up to 30%. Adding to the savings you'll enjoy over time with PowerCell. Call now to schedule a free in-home assessment. The call is free, the assessment is free, and there's no obligation to buy. Act now to receive PowerView, Generac's home energy monitoring system, a $300 value. With PowerView, easily keep tabs on your energy consumption, monitor your battery usage, and track your savings. Don't wait. Call or go online now. PowerCell. Savings powered by the sun.
It's time to swing into the holidays with cheer. I'm Jack Stanley. I work for Jack.
Our family spirit will be the goose that lays the golden egg.
Family is Universal, sponsored by Walmart. Shark Tank, starting Thursday at 8 Eastern. CNBC, get yours. It's time for Jim to stop trading.
The Uber Postmates deal is done. I think Uber's going to be out there doing a series of things forums that'll give restaurants and other merchants a bigger seat at the table to try to figure out how they can help. This is obviously really important given the fact that right now
Nice run on Pfizer, guys. Our Pfizer trade's looking good.
the solution you do it. You gotta get the food to people, and this Postmates deal.
Now, if we could just get Moderna to start its run too, that'd be nice.
This board action, which was recommended today by businesses before it even comes public. I like this group because it's really just two companies now. And when I finish getting this deal done, between this group, Lucy and circulation for the restaurants, they'll all laugh at me. Not right now, but it's going to be like John Travolta with that big bucket of blood in front of the top of Carrie. They're all gonna laugh at me. I'm gonna get this deal done, bro. I'm trying to get it done before tonight because I got a big guest.
There goes Pfizer again.
Manufacturing PMI 57.5 versus 58 expected. Construction spending plus 1.3% versus plus 0.8% expected.
Guys, Q's are still on the run. Q's are looking good.
BA Boeing starts production of T-7A weapon systems trainers, operational flight trainer. That's BA Boeing. Expects to deliver the first T-7A Red Hawk simulators to the Air Force in 2023. That's BA Boeing, Bravo Alpha.
Wow, Q's are having a big breakout. There goes Moderna, guys, 170, 115. Nice breakout on Moderna. Come on, now we need Amazon to start to run. Google's looking great there.
Yes, sir. No buffering on ISM. Well, it comes in with a smidge light. 57.5. We're expecting 58. Let's go through it quickly. It's the sixth number in expansion mode, leading above 50. And of course, it's the highest.
Nice job today, guys.
It's unrevised at 59.5.
Guys, we only got 10 likes on the YouTube video. I'd really appreciate if you guys hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.
Entertainment Group comments
That'd
on
mean a
Canadian
lot.
legislation to legalize single-event sports wagering in Canada. That's GMBL.
There goes Pfizer and Moderna again. Guys, look at Q's breaking out here. Take a look at Q's quick. Q's are really breaking higher here. Looking good. New highs of the day on Q's. I might do day trade on Q's here. Another big breakout on Q's. Love to see Amazon and Google here continue its climb. Amazon is continuing to climb, 31.75. Pfizer having another nice breakout there. Our Pfizer trades, the new Pfizer trades now in the green. I want to see that Moderna run break that 175. I'd love to see Moderna break 175. There goes Pfizer again. Nice gains on Pfizer already. There goes Pfizer still on the run. Google is still breaking out and looking great. 1783 on Google. There goes Pfizer.
TSA screening volumes above 1 million during Thanksgiving travel.
And then, Mike, the longer-term view you said remains bullish by the small caps, by the cyclical caps. That view is predicated on the vaccine and people taking.
There goes Pfizer, guys. Another big run on Pfizer. Another quick 9% gain on the new Pfizer trade. Another quick $200 there. Guys, look at Pfizer go. Wow.
What about stimulus? Either extra monetary stimulus, which includes IRA or fiscal stimulus, from the new administration, the new Congress. How much are those things predicated on that bullish view?
Nice breakout there on Pfizer team. Hell of a move. We're already up. I mean, look at this. And look at this, guys. Already up another 16% on that new Pfizer trade. Another $389. Pfizer's still running. I want to see Moderna now break out. Our Google trade is looking beautiful. We already got a nice gain on Google. I got 25 contracts of that, though. So what did I pay for that? 29.15 minus 28.49. I paid, let me see here. 29. Oh, that's the last price, sorry. 25.93 minus 24.63. I paid $1.30 for that to be worth $2.50. So 120, multiply that by 25. My max gain on that's $3,000. There goes the market continuing to break out here, guys. Nice run on the market. Google's up 1785. What a move. There goes Pfizer breaking out again.
Mike, great stuff. Always good to have you. Thanks so much. Mike Wilson, Morgan Stanley. We'll see you later.
Let's get to Josh with that. With Amazon Web Services CEO Andy Jassy is exclusive interview, John.
Hey, David, we hear a bit more on Swat Valley, but I spoke with AWS CEO Andy Jassy last night as Amazon and AWS kick off their annual reInvent conference today. It's going to last weeks this time instead of just days. Jassy's the number 2 to Jeff Bezos, head of the world's largest cloud player, nearly double the market share of
Guys, look at that Pfizer trade running.
which, again, you can see on Swat Valley. But we also talked about some acquisitions and potential acquisitions. We talked about Facebook buying Connect because Amazon also has, Facebook buying Customer. Amazon has Amazon Connect, which is a customer service and call center technology. We also talked a bit about NVIDIA buying ARM because Amazon works on custom chips in the cloud. He said he's hopeful that NVIDIA would treat ARM the way ARM has operated in the past and allow that kind of rich
Efren, I just sold our Google vertical spread here. I wanted to get that out of the way, lock in some profits. We just sold that. $1.76.
Both Slack and Salesforce are really significant, important strategic partners for AWS. We have really strong relationships with both of those companies who predominantly run on top of us. And we've built a number of things where we've worked together to embed each other's services in one another. So if you look at our video conferencing service, which is Chime, Amazon Chime, that is embedded.
TSLA Tesla electric tweeting out Tesla turns to Cybertruck reservation holders in end of year delivery push. That's TSLA Tesla.
Those are very important, significant, long-term strategic partners where we will look to build products alongside them to continue to grow the business for both of us.
Part of the message and theme here, which you're going to hear more of coming up on Squawk Alley. AWS is a big ecosystem for lots of people.
Guys, I just sold our Pfizer trade $1.50, 21% gain.
Listen for that. We also talked about Apple.
Thanks, John. Yeah, it's interesting. We'll learn later today about the details of the deal. We more or less think it's the same from yesterday.
Just closed out Pfizer, 1.50. Ephraim, what were we in Pfizer for? That second trade there, or third trade actually. So 1.5, divide that by 1.24. That's a 21% gain. Now I'll be jumping back into Pfizer, guys, but I like locking in profits along the way.
That according to a political.
Now I think all I got left is that one, not two trades, Moderna and Amazon. And Tyler, I'll let you know as soon as I'm ready. Right now, first priority is me getting through these treatments. So
John, thanks. We'll can't wait to hear more about that in the 11 hour. Let's Squawk Alley.
it'll be soon, sometime in December.
The Treasury Secretary Stephen Mnuchin, Fed Chair Jerome Powell will take you there live as soon as Q&A.
PXD, Pioneer Natural Resources, CEO Sheffield sees global oil demand recovering to 100 million barrels daily by 2022 or early 2023. World oil demand likely around 97 million barrels per day in 2021. Says still needs some help from OPEC with supply cuts in 2021. That's APA, X-Ray, Delta, PXD.
Look at what we did this week so far, guys. Not a bad week. Look at that, $6,016 from the 30th to today. 2 days. There goes Pfizer again. Moderna's holding that 170. Moderna wants to break out again.
Really making sure we work with providers who care for those communities, that they are able to provide access to the vaccine too.
The facts, the truth, the news with Shepard Smith. Weekly, 7 Eastern, CNBC.
EBC acquires assets of Campbell, Flaherty, and Ring Insurance Agency, Echo Bravo Charlie, Eastern Insurance Group.
Easy money there, team. Get these lights on.
China successfully lands spacecraft on moon's surface in
Wow.
E5 mission to retrieve lunar rocks. That from China State Media.
China just landed on the moon, guys.
And we likely have taken care of all the high priority, and then the general population of the normal, healthy human being.
Ephraim, there's someone on YouTube there that's interested in learning how to trade options. Let's reach out to him. Could definitely help you out there. Mario Benila says Neo. Neo's starting to break out. It's got that MACD cross, first candle, first green bar above the zero line here on the histogram, looking good. You could be looking for a $50 target for a day trade there.
For broad access to a COVID-19 vaccine. Joining us to discuss more, Dr. Stephen Markovich, CEO at Ohio Health, group of hospital systems.
Let's see, FedEx. That's going to be a good one. That's one I wanted to trade there, Vilio. That is going to be a heck of a mover. I think I'm going to pick up a FedEx trade here going into December 18th expiration.
We anticipate that the vaccine distribution is a few weeks away. Nothing is going to mean more to me personally than seeing my frontline workers who are literally exhausted at this point receive their first doses of vaccine.
FedEx is going to have a hell of an earnings, too. I'd love to do an earnings trade on FedEx. Anyone know when they report? Let me take a look here. Calendar.
We also are training staff as we speak. So as soon as the protocols get released by the CDC and other meetings today, we'll be ready to go.
Dr. Markovich, do you feel prepared as well in Ohio?
FedEx has earnings December 17th. I'm definitely going to be getting into that. Let's see here. FedEx, December 18th. 295 calls going for about $13.40. I'll pick up 2 contracts of that. Preview order, place trade, view order, and we have a successful execution. So here's the execution on FedEx.
Shares of Nikola off the lows now, 1730, down about 15%. NKLA.
And there goes FedEx. We already got a nice gain on our FedEx trade. There she goes. FedEx trade's already in the green.
Coming up at 10:30, Dallas Fed Services revenues and Texas Services sector outlook.
Nice big candle on Amazon there. Wow, look at Google still on the climb, guys. Google is really breaking out. Yeah, all the carriers are going to be looking the same. Me, personally, FedEx increased their prices. FedEx got a bulk of the holiday shipping, more than UPS. FedEx has a larger market cap, so I'd rather stick with the best of breed there, Avilio, compared to UPS. But they're both fine. They're both good. You could trade any one of them. But I'll be sticking with the...
ARLO, Arlo Technologies, getting another pop here. Alpha Romeo Lima Oscar. $7.45, the high on that report circulated about one of their products available at the Apple Store online.
You know what's crazy is when You know, like you don't hear from certain family members for a really long time, like for 10 years, and then all of a sudden you get 20 people messaging you, how are you feeling today, Dave? I don't know if that's a good sign. It's supposed to make me feel like warm and fuzzy inside, or if that's something to be scared about, you know? Worried about. It's like, damn, why are they asking all of a sudden, you know? Getting a lot of messages though from all you guys too, so thank you for all your support and your prayers. I'm definitely doing good here. I'm kicking this cancer's butt for sure. Google is still on the run. Look at Google. 1794 just about. Now I want to see Amazon. There goes Amazon starting to run.
Discuss preemptive pardon with Trump.
Guys, we already got a 3% gain on our FedEx trade. Efren, someone just sent us a message in the inbox. They're interested in the yearly membership. We'll extend the Black Friday special to them. Promo code Black Friday. Pfizer starting to climb. Moderna pulling back a little bit there. Amazon's still on the climb. We still have an Amazon paycheck trade open. I'd love to close that out today, tomorrow.
MU Micron Technology, key bank, out today with a positive note on Micron. After the company raises their estimates, that's MU.
Guys, here's what's nice. Just in 1 month, so from 11/2 to 12/1, less than a month, we already made $18,705.90 in profits. I mean, that's what we've been doing live here. You know, amazing job. Amazing job. So really nice job here, guys. Up almost $20,000 in a single month. Amazon was our cash cow. Amazon, Google, Moderna, Pfizer, Space. Did you guys see Space?
UAA, Under Armour announcing partnership with Steph Curry. Announced creation and launch of Curry brand. That's UAA.
Curry brand.
Alpha Alpha.
A Curry brand. Market pulling back a little bit here, team.
That news was out yesterday, actually, and
Pfizer wants to run there, Doug.
out this morning.
I'm out of my Pfizer trade. I just got 3 trades left. The Amazon vertical spread, FedEx, and Moderna. Trade challenge account's empty right now. Waiting for a nice trade challenge trade there.
legislation that we've now been criticized for not doing just a few months ago. Extending things like the Paycheck Protection Program, which would help those restaurant workers that Senator Brown mentioned. Extending and improving it, by the way. Redirecting some of these funds so that we get to those industries and sectors of our economy that have not yet been reached by the 13.3 facilities and really need to have a different kind of direct support system put into place for them. Adding rental assistance that we need to have, in my opinion, and which I've been working very hard on to try to get. And as we tried to get those things, they were rejected by the other side. And so it's just confusing to me, or a little bit surprising, to see these kinds of attacks leveled today in this hearing. And so, Secretary Mnuchin, could you just help make a little sense from your point of view as to why the decision to make to the return of these funds away from the 13.3 facilities at this time is the best thing, and what the intent that you had was in making that termination?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. And let me first say, I want to thank the Senate for passing the CARES Act, which was 96-0 in an unprecedented response. And as you know, I lived in the LBJ room for over 2 weeks, so I'm very familiar. I personally negotiated many of these provisions. Matter of fact, I brought the CARES Act with me because I reference it and keep it next to my desk. And Mr. Chairman, I would just ask you to recall, you and I were sitting outside Senator Schumer's office with his staff. It was after 1 a.m. in the morning on the night that we finally finished this. And I asked you to come to sign off on behalf of
BIOL, Bravo India, Oscar Lima.
final red line.
Getting a pop here.
So I would direct you to section 4029, which is very clear, which says, except as provided in subsection B on December 31, 2020, the authority provided under this subtitle shall terminate. It was very clear. So my decision, first of all, I should thank Chair Howard, he has been a terrific partner in everything we've done. And I really want to thank him and the people at the Fed. He and I have been speaking constantly. In deference to him, I did extend the 4 of the facilities that use non-CARES money. My decision not to extend these facilities was not an economic decision. I'm surprised to hear Senator Brown use words like sabotage, no legitimate justification, delusional, malpractice, time for action. I'd be more than happy to
Guys, I am not happy with this new Facebook layout. I don't know how the heck I get it back.
This is perfectly clear. The Senate provided unprecedented authority to the Secretary of the Treasury in giving me $500 billion. The statute was very clear. Matter of fact, I find it implausible that any member of this committee would believe that in voting for the CARES Act, you were authorizing me to invest $500 billion to make loans in perpetuity. So if you don't read this as there is an expiration, then you must read this, that there was a loophole in the law that I could invest the $500
John, that's very good information you just posted in the trade room about FedEx. Thank you for the insight.
I would also just conclude, I echo what Senator Brown said about restaurants. The President and I
Urges Congress to provide another $300 billion for Paycheck Protection Program.
support another $300 billion for PPP. This would have a real impact. These restaurants need grants, they don't need loans. Thank you.
Dallas Fed Texas Service Sector Revenue Index minus 0.7 in November versus 7.1 in October. Dallas.
In the hearing, or else I'll send them to you in writing. Senator Brown.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Section
Texas Service Sector General Business Activity Outlook minus 2.6 in November versus 13.2 in October.
Your marvelous work of you and the president that the country so decisively rejected. One of my favorite American quotes is he used to talk about going out and getting his public opinion math. It's pretty clear. I appreciate what you said about restaurants, but it's pretty clear that you have left behind, the administration's left behind, the president is only concerned about seeing something that's not there, fraud in an election. As somebody Republican
Hello, Sharon. Nice to have you with us. Made some nice gains today, Sharon. Not sure how long you've been here, but we have some nice gains today, this week, this month. Up $18,705.90 for the past month. It's been a hell of a month here. Really great. We change that to this week. We're up $6,000 this week. Yesterday we made a profit of $2,899.56. Today we made a profit of $3,116.52. We're making thousands of dollars every day here, guys. You know, it's just as easy as following the trade plan, following the system, and looking for those nice profits. Happy to have you with us, Sharon. Sharon. Not sure how to say your name there. Avilio, what expiration do you have on it?
Fed Chair Powell said we will continue to provide strong supports and remain committed to using all of our tools to get us through this period.
Through the use of our tools, and we remain committed to using all of our tools to their fullest extent for as long as is necessary.
Everything's pretty much straight and sideways here. What do you think? Should we get off? Leave it the way it is? Because I don't want to trade the sideways choppiness here going into the lunch hour. Should we just do that and then go live again a little bit earlier? I'm staying at the office today, so we will be here all day today. Well, while we're watching the market there, let's tell you guys that are new to us. Guys, we have a great trading academy here in Orlando, Florida. You know, all you guys have to do, I'll log out of here. Well, if you're logged in, this is all the things that you guys have access to. The education, you go to education, you have classes that are an hour long. You have lessons that are 10 to 15 minutes long. You have our trade challenge. You know, you could upgrade to Pro Trader. Here's our trade tab. You click here, you're going to see all of our trades we've made. You click here, and here's all of our trades. You want to take a look at a trade, you could click on it, and then you'll see everything that we're looking at, the target, the stop, everything that we're looking at. You know, and that goes on and on. You can look at every one of our trades we made. Here's the Moderna trade we just closed out for an 84% gain. There was another Moderna 52% gain, Moderna 8% gain. You know, I mean, we've just been on fire with all these. Here's the Amazon trade, closed 52% gain. Google Paycheck trade, that wasn't closed out yet there, Efren. I don't think so. It's not showing the gain on there. Let's get that updated. AEO 15% gain, NEO 26% gain. You guys see, so not only are you going to have these on your website, you're going to get an email and a text, and also our app is included with our service. So if you guys want to join now, go to membership pricing plans under the Join Now button. You know, $125 a month. I mean, that's going to give you access to the live trade room and the morning trading session. Pro Trader is going to give you access to the live trade room, morning and afternoon session. Elite Pro Trader, you're going to save $500 a year right off the bat. You're going to get text alerts, email alerts, morning session, afternoon session, trade plan, all the beginner, intermediate, advanced videos and classes that we have archived on our site. And then also, if you guys use promo code Black Friday, that's going to save 35% off of this, and it's going to drop another $1,000 just about. Yeah, I think $900 it drops down to $1,600 and some dollars. So make sure you guys get signed up. That's going to be ending this week, that Black Friday special for Cyber Monday. If you guys have questions, you go right here on Messenger, shoot us a message, and we will be happy to help you guys out. Trade Challenge Education, you know, the home page there. Here's where we have all of our news alerts, newsletters. If you guys want to check out our newsletters are right here on the page. You guys could see here's December 1st. So every morning you guys come in, you could say, okay, this is what we're looking at. This is our Breaking Chart Alerts daily newsletter. Here's the top news for the day, the target changes, upgrades, downgrades, our watch list, and then here's earnings for that day. The morning and then the afternoon. Mornings in the light white, and then the afternoons in the gray. So many things for you guys to help you become a better trader and get signed up. Just go to Join Now. Membership pricing plans. The Black Friday special is good on the yearly membership, so that'll bring it down to about $1,600 for the year. Use promo code Black Friday, and we will see you guys at 2 o'clock for the afternoon session. So get signed up, guys. I know you guys just made some nice money on all these trades we've been making. So come join us. We'd be happy to have you with us. A paycheck trade is a lower risk trade that we make, Bruce. So every week I like to have one good paycheck trade. That was the Google trade this week. We just closed that out for how much percent return, Efren? I don't know what the percentage return was on that Google trade. $35% gain on our paycheck trade. So usually our paycheck trades, we're looking for a 25 to 75% gain. Sometimes if we see a big breakout momentum, we'll do a paycheck trade looking for that 150% gain. But, you know, between 25 and 75% are nice, for that. Tyler, that is why we locked in most of our profits this morning. The market's been doing that. For the first hour, it's been pretty good. And then after that first hour, it dips. And then in the afternoon, it's picking back up again.
Shares of Moderna pulling back here. Moderna falling now 157.28. About 3% well off the...
Let's see. Pierre says he's got 200 shares of CRM. What should he do? CRM's looking good. It's starting to climb here. I like that setup. Salesforce, it's in breakdown momentum, though. I'd probably be selling some covered calls against that, Pierre, if it were me. December 18th, I'd probably be selling the 265s or 270s. It happens every day, Avilio. Isn't it amazing? I think there's so many day traders that are coming in and just trading the first hour of the day. And then after that first hour, they say, okay, they're done for the day. They leave, and then the volume goes down, and the markets pull back a bit. I think that's what we're seeing, but that's going to do it for us for this morning, guys. I'm happy with the trades we made. We made some nice profits there, some big profits, and I'm going to be looking forward to doing some more day trading in the afternoon. So if you guys aren't joined, if you guys haven't signed up for us yet, make sure you come join us. BreakingChartAlerts.com. Use promo code Black Friday for the yearly membership. Sign up, and we'll see you in the trade room, and then we'll see you live at 2 p.m. Take care, guys. Have a great day. Let's keep this momentum going here in the markets. We've been having a heck of a great trading month, couple of weeks here. So let's keep it going. Take care, guys. God bless. Have a great day. If you need me, I'm going to be in the trade room here.